And protecting our land is important, and the Truckee Donner Land Trust works hard to preserve our open spaces and protect our natural resources while providing recreational access in the Truckee Donner region. It recently announced the permanent protection of the final 61 acres of private land in the Pole Creek area, preserving the entire 2,000-acre watershed near Olympic Valley. The land includes important trout habitat, headwaters feeding the Truckee River, and popular backcountry recreation areas used for hiking and skiing. Pole Creek will now remain permanently protected, preserving a critical watershed stretching from the Sierra Crest to the Truckee River. Conservation leaders say the project will help safeguard forest meadows, wildlife habitat, and public access for generations to come.